I am Roxborough, the first capital of this little paradise where your foreparents came to venue. I am Belgarden. Come with me to see the beautiful maidens dance in their frizzly skirts.
Jah is a good God, says Rastafari. He means Jah is a good Jah. Jah Rastafari. Say what? You're moving in the far to the stress I and I. Say what? You want the dance, but not one for labor. Say what? Afro brother of the early 70s. Say what?
Tobago is beautiful. Tobago is blessed. Tobago is so much more than crab and dumpling and nothing less. We are educated, kind-hearted, sophisticated. We are not that complicated. We are resilient and our cultural identity strong.
My daddy tell me she was a cleaner. Not a cleaner that does clean your house, you know. A spiritual cleaner. You could come by this lady with any zombie or bad spirit on you, and she know exactly how to fix you.
I think that nowadays, though, there's like a removal of the man entirely from the home because when you're on social media and stuff, there are people saying, you know, my husband babysat our kids, and I'm like, you're babysitting your own children. They're your children. You should be taking care of them, not babysitting.
Diana kitchen pipe busway. But what I don't know is, basement, my husband, he are all-rounded plumber. She come over pouty and complain. So I do what? No, me and Lenshi, I grab basement toolkit and I grab him by hand and I drag him over there to fix the pipe.